So today I'll be making a traditional dish called gazpacho from my host country, Spain. So this dish is basically a cold soup and it's made with raw vegetables. It originated in Andalusia, which is in like the southern region of Spain. And it's very popular in the summer months since it makes for a really good cold drink. So I chose this dish because I'm vegetarian, and when I was researching all the different Spanish dishes, I found that a lot of them incorporated meat. So I thought this was the perfect dish for me since not only does it look tasty, but it's made out of all vegetables. So all of the ingredients were pretty easy to find. I went to my local Publix on my own and picked out everything. Some of the ingredients I already had at my house, but the ingredients are pretty simple for this recipe. It includes cucumber, tomatoes, green pepper, onion, and garlic, as well as a few condiments and spices such as red wine vinegar, olive oil, cumin, salt, and French bread. Okay, so I'm first going to take my onion and chop it into 3 to 4 pieces. So okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take my green pepper, which I've already deseeded, and I'm going to chop it up coarsely. So I've already peeled the garlic, and I'm just going to set that aside. And next, I'm going to peel the cucumber. So now I'm going to take my tomatoes and cut them into 4 to 5 pieces. Okay, now I'm going to put all the ingredients into a blender. Okay, now since I put everything in the blender, I'm going to add the spices and condiments. So I'm starting with 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And then you have to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And after that, you have to add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And 1 cup of virgin olive oil. Oh God. Okay, next you're gonna blend all the ingredients together. So, you're going to get a bowl of water and you're going to get some French bread. So I'm going to take a bowl of water and cut the French bread about like 4 inches and just soak it and let it soak for a few minutes. Okay, so I let the bread soak for a few minutes, and now I'm going to take it and just squeeze all the water out of it like this.
Isn't there supposed to be sealing here?
I don't know. So next, you just add this.
Break it out.
And then you just blend it again. Blend it up. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and wait like several hours. Okay, so I waited a few hours for it to chill, and now it's ready to try. So it's really good, but I would prefer it warm rather than cold. So my overall opinion of this dish is it's really easy to prepare, but I definitely don't think I'll be ordering it when I travel to Spain. So I shared this dish with my family, and my mom tried it, and she's had gazpacho many times before this, and she said she actually enjoyed this version a lot more than the other times. So just wasn't for me, but it definitely is for other people.